Hey guys, what's up? I just received this. It's a portable 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. And I received this in exchange for an honest review, and I'm super excited to take a look at this because I'm getting ready to go on a trip to Europe, stopping first in Paris and then going to Spain. And I need the ability to charge on the go, right? So have a look at this. This is going to be perfect for my watch. But let's have a look and see what we got here. I'm going to just slide this part out. Oh, this opens up. That's my problem. Oh, this is nifty. I gotta say right off the bat, it feels really like high quality. I love the feel of this here. It's like got this magnetic ring and then this here. So, and then we have this is dual C port on both sides. So let's take a look here, and we can see some really clear instructions. So the phone just goes on the magnetic charging area, and then when you want to use your smartwatch, you have the smaller section. So that is really cool. It's just so small and handy, and this is going to be perfect for me while I travel because it's not going to take up a lot of space. I can knock out my phone and my watch with the same tool. And then let me just see. Oh, there's the charging port. You can see that USB-C port there. So this is fantastic. I love it. If, like, again, I said, it feels really well made, and I think, yeah, I'm going to be really happy with this. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.